getting to be that time of year. In the fall here, leaves are starting to drop. And in some cases, you may need to do some raking. You may need to do some leaf blowing. My wife wanted a leaf blower that was not heavy. I mean, I have a big 60-volt DeWalt, and it's a beast. And by beast, I mean it's also very heavy. Yeah, it does a great job, but it's heavy. She wanted something she could use around the patio and on the deck and so on that doesn't weigh a ton, and of course being cordless. That would be this right here. This is from AOETREE, and they provided this to me to demonstrate, which worked out real well because, as I mentioned, the wife wanted something lighter. And as you can see, it's very small. Of course, I haven't put it together yet. I haven't even opened the box. But I think this is going to fit the ticket here, so I'm going to get this unboxed. We'll show you what we get in here. And I'm sure there'll be a little bit of assembly to be required. It's a 2-battery kit, 20-volt lithium ion. So we have a user manual, and we have some foam. And we have a little box with something in it, which is the charger, the wall wart style. And we have another little box down here that has a AOETREE in it, along with safety rules of what to do and not to do with the lithium ion battery. And don't take that lightly, because if you misuse them, you can start a fire. So we have these 2 batteries here that I know I'm going to have to charge. This would be the part of the snout, and another part of the snout. I'm not even going to open the book. This looks like this is going to be really easy to put together. So, looking at shapes from my young Fisher-Price days: square, round, boom. So there's all the assembly. You just snap the square to the square and put the oval to the oval. So there's the assembly. Put the square to the square, the oval to the oval. It only goes on one way. All snaps together. This is very nice and lightweight. Like I said, I have not charged the batteries yet. I don't know if there's any life in them. So let's plug one in and see what it does. It blows the cobwebs right off the ceiling. So I'll get these charged up, and we'll take it outside and give it a whirl. So how do you know when the battery is charged, fully charged? Well, there's a little LED light on the front of the charger here that, of course, I just used this, so obviously I ran the battery down. So this light right here, LED, will be red. When the battery is fully charged, that LED will turn green. And it's just a suggestion with any type of lithium-ion battery. Once it's charged and fully charged, take it off the charger. Don't just leave it there and think it's going to maintain it. That's not a safe practice. So, as you saw, this thing here worked real well on blowing some leaves off along the edge of the driveway and patio there. The wife's going to like this. As I said, it's very, very light, and it's very, very easy to use. There'll be a link in the description on where to get this. You can get these on Amazon. And again, AOETREE did provide this to me to unbox, test, and demonstrate, which I've done here. So if you got anything out of this, appreciate getting a thumbs up. Always helps the channel. Again, be a link in the description on where to get one of these. Roger in the shop. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.